This is quite exciting. I've just heard a black redstart in Lewisham town centre. So I've come to the rear. See if he sings again. If not, I'll be back down. But I think what's interesting is I've never heard one in black redstart in the 25 years that when I saw a black redstart there. Actually, but now there's loads of green roofs, and that's maybe why they're here. So, black redstarts, peregrines, and also kingfishers fly through the town centre regularly along the Ravensbourne and the Quaggy. So that's 3 protected species right in the heart of Lewisham. He's just started again. He's singing somewhere above the NatWest building. There's I'm at the police station. They're going to come out and try to arrest me for chasing birds. I have a history of upsetting security. It's amazing what goes on in the pristine rules of Lewisham Town Centre.